Happy Halloween! That's right, this video should air on Halloween Day. I'm calling this, I don't know if I should call it a ghost story, but it is something very mysterious that happened to me 32 years ago, right here in this graveyard. Now, you see where the road goes? It goes that way, kind of in a diamond here. And goes up that way, right here. In this spot, 32 years ago, right here, there was a bench. 32 years ago, I was on my motorcycle. It was the middle of summer. And I was up in this area waiting for a friend to basically meet up with me. Was going to do some biking together, and the reason we was meeting here at the graveyard is because it was a great place to say, hey, meet you there. And so, of course, I did what I usually do. I drove around the graveyard. Well, as I got to that point, right where I said the bench was, I decided, hey, I'm going to park my bike, sit on the bench, get my saddlebags, and get one of my Mountain Dews out. That's right, I drank Mountain Dew back in the day, heavily. It was close to evening time, and the bench was pretty much right where, well, that water thing was still here, so it was kind of in front of it. So I drank my Mountain Dew. Now, over where that tree is over yonder, there was a garbage can at the time. So I sat there. My motorcycle was parked over close to where my Defiant is now, which is my SUV. I drank my Mountain Dew, got done with it, squashed the can up, and I tried to make a basket with the garbage can. Yeah, so I threw it. It missed. That's right, it landed right on the ground. I was like, okay, it's time to get out of here. So I got up. The garbage can was right there, and the can landed somewhere right in there. It bounced off the rim of the garbage can. So I stood up. It's time for me to go, so I started walking. No problem. I got to about right here, and the can went off the ground. It hit me right in the forehead. I honestly thought it was the wind. Okay, picked the can up, a gust of wind, blew it up in the air, hit me in the forehead, didn't hurt me. So I went ahead and bent down, picked up the can, and threw it in the trash. I threw it in the trash, and there wasn't no trash in the can. So it went to the bottom. And then I started walking off, headed back to my motorcycle. I got to roughly about right here, right where this road is going up this way. And son of a gun if I didn't get hit in the back. I turned around, and right down there on the ground was that Mountain Dew can that I smashed and threw in a garbage can. It came out of that garbage can and hit me in the back. Very true story. I got on my bike, and I was like, this is very interesting. And there's dogs coming, Ange. But they're on leashes. Sorry about that, y'all. I have Kit with me. Took off out of here. When I met up with my friend, I had a story to tell him. I told my other friends the story. And guys, back in 1991, this is when this all happened. This is what made me and a few of my friends decide to start some ghost hunting. That's right. And come to find out, the graveyard or cemetery that I'm in now is haunted. Yes, it had a lot of claims here. I've been here many times, and I'm going to hold back the name of it because one of them times I came to do some ghost hunting. Yes, I came back trying to figure out what happened. One of the times I came here, I was chased out by police because we weren't allowed to be in here after dark. So we kind of like, you know. But guys, unexplained. Don't have no explanation for what happened. Could have been the wind. Yes, the first time it could have been the wind when the can hit me in the head. But it coming out of the garbage can hit me in the back. I have no explanation. None. And that's what started me doing the ghost hunting back in 1991. No joke. All right, guys, hope you have an awesome Halloween. Sorry about the shortness of the video, but I had a 25-minute video last time the other day. So this time I decided, let's get inside the car. I didn't bring my hoodie. Hi, puppy. Hi, honey. Yeah, kid's right next to me. I didn't bring my hoodie and this little nippy out there. So hopefully you enjoyed today's ghost story. Very true, actual facts that happened. And I'm not saying it was ghosts. I'm not even saying it was paranormal, but it was interesting. You have to admit to that. I have no explanation. All right, guys, until next time, come on, let's get out of here. We'll see you next time.